Hello there, in this video I will show you how to reset network settings on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's get started. And for that we need to open settings. Here just search for the general management tab and now scroll at the very bottom of the screen to see this reset section. And now we can see many options for the reset, but we are interested in this one, the second, reset mobile network settings. So if you want to reset it, you just need to select this option and here tap on this blue button, and here you'll see these pop-up notifications, and then you need to select this blue button once more, and now the network settings are reset. So if you have a password on your phone, you will need to enter the password before resetting, but I don't have one, so it just reset it by itself. And resetting network settings will solve the problems with Wi-Fi or mobile internet. And you can now return to the home screen using the home button, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.